Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today we're going to disassemble this little mini bike. Looks like it had been remodeled at one time, that someone put a disc brake on here and they welded a plate, which is kind of nice. It's already on there. The motor runs. It usually starts on the first pull, except the throttle cable's boogered, so we're going to redo the throttle cable, we're going to redo the pull cord, we're going to clean it, and just completely clean it, and maybe put, since it's already painted, maybe paint it again with some motor paint. But let me give it a pull. It usually starts right up. Might be out of gas. Yeah, so it runs. It's worthy of giving it a cleaning and a painting. The frame is in decent shape. Little bit of rust right here, little bit of surface rust right here, chips and this and that. We might go ahead and put some paint stripper and take that down to bare metal, or maybe we won't. I do like the front suspension, these little mini shocks. I'm not opposed to buying a new set of these. I think I've seen them online on eBay for I don't know, like 60-70 bucks or something. The handlebar assembly is someone chopped a gooseneck in half. That needs some addressed. But all in all, everything's here that I need. I'll round up some new cables, a new throttle assembly. I have a couple of those, I'm pretty sure. New cable for the brake. Give the frame a paint job, give the motor a paint job, clean the rims. I love the back tire. The front tire is not so appealing, but I might have another one to swap out the rubber on that rim. But maybe it's good to have a little bit more traction up front so you don't get out in gravel. Seat's pretty cool. It's got some holes in it, but I think we might cover it. So, without further ado, I'm going to start taking this apart.